We've got the Sprite Major 4, it's 2013, it's 4 berth, it's 1327 kilos maximum, and we've got it on sale at 8995. Clean and tidy. On the outside we've got a gas locker, at the front 13 pin electrics, and we've got the Alco stabilised hitch. No big marks, dents or damage to the outside. It's got the alloy wheels. And then coming inside we've got our seating to the front, so this makes up into a big double bed, so plenty of room. We've got a little pull out table, so that'll make a nice little table through the day. Couple of 230 volt main sockets at the front for your electrics, and then plenty of storage and a nice panoramic sunroof. Good sized kitchen, so again we'll get our 3-way fridge, gas oven, hob and grill, and then again nice storage over the top. And then we've got an option on this side to put our seating into a bed as it is, so it makes a nice French bed on the side, and again we can put that back to seating if we want. And then opposite we've got a nice big wardrobe. We've got our freestanding table that's just stored away, and then in the back we've got a nice big separate shower and toilet, so a good usable space and a proper usable shower as well, so that also doubles up then as a nice little dressing room. So that is the Sprite Major 4 2013, currently on sale at the Caravan Place at Gailey.